A sign on its own has no automatic legal power. Anybody can put up a sign. That doesn't make it law. There's no UK law that says a no drones sign by itself creates a legal restriction. So if you're flying your drone and you see one of these signs, does that mean you're breaking the law? No, not automatically. There are places where drones are genuinely restricted, like airports, prisons, certain protected areas. But those restrictions come from legislation or airspace rules or specific legal designations, not from a bit of plastic or metal tied to a fence or stuck in a post. Now, that doesn't mean that the sign is meaningless, far from it, because it can still represent something real. For example, private land. A landowner can control access to the land, takeoff and landing from the land. And remember, this is in England and Wales. In Scotland, things are a bit different. But if you look at one of my previous videos, which, if you click that wee thingy up there, you'll see that. But in England and Wales, a landowner can control access to the land, takeoff and landing from the land. So if that sign is on private property, they can absolutely tell you, you're not taking off from here. And that part, that's enforceable. But here's where people get it wrong. They jump from, you can't take off here, to, you can't fly over here at all. Those are not the same thing. Flying over land is not the same as using the land. So a no drone sign does not automatically mean you can't fly over that area unless there's something else behind it. And there are some situations where the sign does matter more. If it's backed up by local bylaws or specific site instructions or environmental protections or controlled airspace, then you could be in trouble. But the sign itself is not the law. It's just a warning or a request, or sometimes just someone's opinion. Now let's talk about a real world situation, because this is where it kicks off. You're flying, you're legal, you're following the CAA rules. Somebody walks up to you and says, there's a sign, you're not allowed to fly here. What do? This is where understanding the differences matter, because if you just assume they're right, you've shut yourself down for no reason. But if you push it without actually knowing what applies, you can walk straight into a problem. So the real answer is this. A no drone sign on its own cannot legally stop you from flying, but what sits behind that sign might. And that's what you need to figure out, because the sign isn't the authority, the law is. And if you don't know the difference, you're either grounding yourself unnecessarily or flying straight into trouble. There's another layer to this that a lot of people don't see coming, because some organisations, and you'll see this with places like heritage sites, they'll put up signs or publish policies that make it sound like you are responsible for what happens on their site. Health and safety, risk, liability. They'll frame it like, if you're flying nearby, you're responsible for what could happen. But here's the reality. The responsibility for health and safety on a site sits with the organisation that manages it, not with a drone pilot flying overhead who isn't operating on that land and isn't part of their activity. Now that doesn't mean you can fly recklessly, of course not. You're still responsible for flying safely, following CAA rules and not putting people at risk. But you're not automatically responsible for the safety management of someone else's site. And this is where people get pressured into backing down, because it sounds official. It sounds like authority. But sounding official and actually having legal authority are not the same thing. So when you see a sign or a policy or someone quoting health and safety at you, Don't just take it at face value. Where is that authority actually coming from? Because if you don't understand that, you'll either ground yourself when you don't need to, or get pushed around by rules that don't actually apply to you. And that's exactly how people lose confidence flying when they don't need to.